Metro North Commuter Railroad, reporting mark MNCR, trading as MTA Metro North Railroad or simply Metro North, is a suburban commuter rail service run by the Metropolitan Transportation Authority or MTA, a public authority of the U.S. state of New York and under contract with the Connecticut Department of Transportation. Metro North runs service between New York City and its northern suburbs in New York and Connecticut, including Port Jervis, Spring Valley, Poughkeepsie, Yonkers, New Rochelle, White Plains, Southeast and Wassaic in New York and Stamford, New Canaan, Danbury, Waterbury, and New Haven in Connecticut. Metro North also provides local rail service within the New York City boroughs of Manhattan and the Bronx. Metro North is the descendant of commuter rail services dating back as early as 1832. By 1969, they had all been acquired by Penn Central. MTA acquired all three lines by 1972, but Penn Central continued to operate them under contract. Service was transferred to Conrail in 1976, when it absorbed most of Penn Central's railroad functions after Penn Central's bankruptcy. The system took its current form in 1983, when MTA took over Conrail's commuter operations in the northern portion of the New York metropolitan area and merged them into Metro North. There are 124 stations on Metro North Railroad's 5 active lines, plus the Meadowlands Rail Line, which operate on more than 787 miles of track, with a passenger railroad system totaling 385 miles of route. With an average weekday ridership of 298,300 in 2017, it is the third busiest commuter railroad in North America in terms of annual ridership, behind the Long Island Railroad and NJ Transit. As of 2018, Metro North's budgetary burden for expenditures was $1.3 billion, which it supports through the collection of taxes and fees. The MTA has jurisdiction, through Metro North, over railroad lines on the western and eastern portions of the Hudson River in New York. Service on the western side of the Hudson is operated by NJ Transit under contract with the MTA. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like us on Facebook.